Welcome to part 4 of making the ring bling quilt. Today we're going to talk about sewing the block together. Now there are 4 quadrants in each block and there are 2 of each quadrant that need to be sewn. So this is one of the quadrants here. Now in order to sew these half square triangles together, you basically start by putting the 2 pieces right sides together and then sewing from that point right there all the way down to this point, and then you're going to press towards the black. Then the next piece that gets sewn on is this one, and then this one, and then this one, and then that one. And it's all straight sewing, and I'm not showing you actually me sewing on a sewing machine because I'm sure you know how that works. But and then when the block is sewn together, this is what it looks like. So that is one of the quadrants. Now this is the second quadrant for the block, and it's similar but slightly different. You'll notice that we have again where we're sewing half square triangles together, but this time this one is pieced, and you basically sew a gray half square triangle on this side of the square and a light gray on this side, and you press both of them away from that center square. And then next we would add this piece. Now on this one, we now, instead of having it be one solid piece, we've pieced a little square there, and so this one is pressed towards the gray and this one is pressed towards the purple. Then the next piece that's going to get added on will be this one, and then finally the last one is this. And here is what the block looks like when it is finished. So one thing that's going to give you really nice intersections is by nesting the seams. So on this one, it's pressed towards this pink fabric. This one, it is pressed towards this. And so when you put these together, you'll notice how that one is aiming that direction. That one's aiming that direction. So you nest those 2 seams together, and you can feel that with your finger. You can push on it and feel that they're nested together. And that's what's going to give you those nice intersections. So this is what this block looks like when it's all sewn together. There it is in the purple, and here it is in the orange. And to see the 4 quadrants, you can see that there's one here, same one here, the other quadrant is here and here. So this is how you sew together the blocks for the ring bling quilt, or at least one of the type of blocks. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.